Hello, good people. Clay here. I just wanted to remind you that on this Friday, I am running a networking event for trainers in the metaverse. It's called Trainers in VR, and we're going to be meeting here on this lovely catamaran. I just thought I'd show you around real quick and continue to talk as I do. So the main reason why I wanted to run this networking event is just to get other trainers, see what other folks are doing in the learning and development space in terms of embracing immersive learning and how you are accommodating this for your companies, your learners, how maybe you might be using it for coaching and one-to-ones and stuff like that. And I mean, I'm happy to show people around in here as well if you haven't used EngageVR in terms of the tools that are available for us as trainers to use, from things like, just load the screen right now. You can all kind of sit around here and watch PowerPoints and videos. And we can use the whole of this space here to have little pockets of meetings, running breakout sessions, that kind of thing. But that's what I want to do. I want to just get together and have conversations about, how people are utilizing this kind of technology in their training sessions. And I thought this would be a lovely environment to hold in. So if you can make it, it's 1400 on Friday. That's 1400 GMT time. So I'm here in England. And I will include all of a link to the details inside of this video or in the comments below. It is an invite only, so please do click on the link and go sign up so I know how many people are coming. It's limited to 30 people. So if you do want to come, go ahead and sign up. And also, if you don't use the Engage platform now, already, so you can then take that opportunity to create a free account and then go ahead and create your avatar so that on Friday 1400 you can come on in. I'll escort you to the catamaran and we'll see where we go. I mean, it's going to be an open conversation, so come with your questions, come with your thoughts, come with your ideas that you'd like to share with other trainers. I hope to see you there. Take it easy and have a good rest of the day.